gates open. They're up and racing. Miss Chanel shows alertness at the start, moving up by the rail. Dugos Fantasy is sneaking in down on the inside is Batong Silyar. Then moving up, Treasured Act running by the rail. Elgin and German. While 3A getting better is the early trailer as they round to the 3/4 mile pole. Now we have Batong Silyar in his favorite position, this time leading the field. Such a neck running on the outside. Dugos Fantasy. Miss Chanel drops back in third. Then running in fourth is the favorite. Treasured Act getting better. Second last, Elgin and German. And Pareng Hilton is now running at the back of the pack. Heading towards the last 600. Batong Silyar this time by 3/4 of a length lead. Dugos Fantasy still in second and down in third. Miss Chanel. Treasured Act is still running in fourth as they race towards the last 450. Batong Silyar this time by about a length and a half. Dugos Fantasy still in second and moving up to take third is Treasured Act. Elgin and Chairman is on the outside as they turn for home. Batong Silyar leading the field. Moving up by the rail, getting better. Treasured Act is on the outside together with Elgin and Chairman, who's leveling up on the outside and now catching the lead. Now we have Elgin and Chairman crossing the wire first for race number 3 over Treasured Act. Then comes Getting Better, Batong Silyar, Dugos Fantasy, Miss Chanel, and Pareng Hilton.